With all of our awnings, you have plenty of ventilation options available on the actual awnings. As you can see on this one, on your side panel, we've rolled up the window and you've got that mosquito net there. However, if you're in the warmer climate, you do have the option to add a 250 side net for extra ventilation. This is really easy to set up. You can have this fitted whilst the panel's in, or you can have it when the panel's completely out. I'm going to take it out completely. Just going to unzip the panel. Put that to one side. And the side net, I'll have some clips on. Nice and easy to attach around your poles. So have some that fit onto the front here, on the front leg pole. And then onto the roof pole. And the side nets are universal. So you have pegging points on either side, so you can reverse them, fit them either side. Clipping these all onto the roof poles. Once they're all clipped on, simply peg the side net out, starting at one end, and simply fill in the gaps. Nice and simple to set up. And now, as we haven't got the side panel in, you have a full mosquito net for perfect ventilation inside your awning.